Di po dili po na makalimtan ang among responsibilidad isipin yung mga anak.
Promise!
Project, mas na-cement yung relationship with PETA kasi sa una, we were working with Children's Theater Program. Grabe na yung nila, yung pag-nurture nila sa and I'm so happy.
As in, ever since good nag-partner mi sa PETA from trainings na nagatag sa mga workshop, antod karon nga na ay production, as like funding, din ilang gi-share sa mga funding. Ano kayo, we are so blessed. Dagan kay may nahimo pod, no? Artistically, nag-improve. Mga members po, no, nag-grow po.
Theater does is like they feel good about performing, no? Parang, kasi yung mga trainings allows them to gain self-confidence, yung mga skills ganyan. Pero nung nag-start na rin na they were tinrained din sila as trainers. And then they were already starting to go into mga training other young people, children, communities. Doon parang mas na-strengthen talaga yung resolve nila of what cultural work or what theater work can do for empowering young people and children. Isang aspeto talaga ng advocacy ng YATA is on children's rights. So nung pumasok yung sa positive discipline, parang dito namin nakita na yung concept of child abuse, for example, very real dun sa corporal punishment. This is one of the most ideal na project in terms of like yung kompleto na cycle niya. Although may script na kasi yung rated PG, binigyan ng freedom din naman ang YATA to really adapt it sa local context. Importante sa kanila yun yung sense of the creative freedom.
Kabalo na ko! Honor ni silang luwa! Liwan sila si Mama! Right!
Di sila honor! Nagsumbagay sila kanina!
Ay, anin pa! Liwan sila!
Maraming meetings, maraming session ng nagda-dramaturg yung ibang mga kasama na mental health na ito ba yung talagang kwento pa talaga yung nangyayari talaga sa Dumaguete.
In terms of music, we want also to make it sound na mas island vibe.
Tie up man ang YATA ug ang PETA. So katong mga workshops nga among sige giagian, sige discuss what will work and what will not work.
They felt na hindi sila pinabayaan, hindi kami pinabayaan. There was always that strong yung partnership talaga na real.
Niagi may workshop sa positive discipline, among gistoryahan, nag-focus group discussion mi kung unsay mga klase sa mga disiplina among nasinati. Like ako, naagi po kog bunal, nga na ako mga kauban, naagi po luhod.
Hapak dili, hapak dito, ay sikiri, sikito, hindi lubag sa tukul, tuklog, talas. Kung unsay unang makitan, kung unsa may magunitan, ayaw na lang, kung talagang kay sigurado, matay kang pataka.
I also have to give it to them kasi magagaling talaga. I mean, there's something dun sa rewritten na script which talagang may yung kagat ng tao, makakatawa ka, makaka-relate ka dun sa larger context pa, like yung ginagamit ng mga bata for drug trafficking, tapos yung sa family story, etc. Parang may there was a very good matching and that combination of humor and drama and the message.
Kasi sa aming barangay, talamak yun yung ginagamit yung mga bata to be a runner for drugs.
And the added element of suicide because in our previous workshops, na-presenting yun ng mga young people of committing suicide because they are misunderstood.
What theater can do, for example, is not only to reflect a situation or a reality, challenge the audience to think na parang tama ba to? May iba bang paraan?
Yung parent na nanonood, parang bumabalik sila nung bata pa sila. Parang ganun yung effect ba?
Everywhere we go, very well accepted siya. Tapos na-appreciate nila na hindi lang parang puro lang karapatan ng bata ganyan. Pero yung at some point, yung negotiation ng family at the end.
Dapat na ay limitasyon. Dapat mag-isanay kung sa'yo dapat nga responsibilidad na ako susunod sa balay.
There should be an open communication between the children and the parents para mas maintindihan nila ang bawat isa at sa lahat ng gagawin nila dapat yung mga anak ay kasali din.
With the songs and the story, yung nag-jive siya and people really see the connection. So.
Very exemplary. I love the guys, I love the movements of the guys because I am also in theater. Okay?
I love the music and then I love the singers.
Kanina kita ko sana hindi naman yung anak ko. Kasi yung anak ko nawala noong 2006. Pasaw. Kaya sabi ko sa sarili ko, sana may babalik. Para hindi pa.
We're very thankful for this great opener, for this eye-opener, especially on the part of the teachers. I hope the students are also listening.
Upon seeing the show, parang gusto kong lumipan at puntahan ko yung tatlong anak ko na nandun sa Dumaguete. At para masabi ko naman sa kanila, kung pwede ko lang lumipan sa panahon na palilipas sila. I would not do corporal punishment as a way of discipline. Kasi hindi pala tama.
Uhaw sa akong pagpangga, uhaw sa akong mga tipan.
I hope there are a lot of audience who talk more, not only in this mall, but nandito sa atong mga susukan ng mga barangay and mga sitio, and we need this kind of presentation.
People are really saying na I think mas maraming tao ang dapat makapanood. So that means that it touched them and they want it also to touch other people.
Kami mismo nagkasinabtanay and ang mga actors po mismo kasabot sa advocacy sa positive discipline. So muna yung nakanindot. And then personally, ang positive discipline nga advocacy nadala na mo karon sa kuha, ma-apply na ako sa balay, sa akong pagtudlo, sa trabaho, and then most especially sa yata.
Automatic
na siya.
Na pag outside work, we're really good friends with brothers and sisters. Pero pag trabaho, you have to be professional. But of course, still keep that feeling of family na when you criticize, it has to be constructive.
In terms of like as a campaign, hindi pwedeng theater lang din. You really have to really partner with organizations that work on community organizing, like yung mga barangay council for the protection of children. Kailangan you work with groups working on legislation. Kasi yun yung may teeth. Kung may ordinance ka or meron kang national law, Republic Act for example, na may may reinforcement ka, di ba, of a cultural change that still has to happen.
Simple as raising awareness, makatag og entertainment sa mga tao. And then, at the same time, nasa makuha after the performance. Kana mo'y nagatag na mo og drive.
I I think it's a piece that talagang we will continue to perform pa rin basta whenever resources are available. Kasi as you can see, you know, parang kailangan at least good sound system.
Lipay kayo, Mikay, mas daghan pa may maadto nga community para mapakita nga advocacy.
Sila magsugod diha sa panimalay, atong ipakita, atong itudlo sa mga bata, pagsalig ug respeto sa pagdagman di nato makuha. Human ni panganak hingpit nga tawo na ang bata, mukha mananggod makalakaw, mudula ug madagma.
Andam nga mo atubang sa mga hagit sa matag adlaw.